Wait, your Xbox is on, but the TV says no signal? Don't panic. We can fix this without a technician. In most cases, it is just a connection issue, not a dead console. Step 1. Check your HDMI cable. 80% of problems are just faulty or loose connections. Unplug the cable from both ends, check for dust or damage. Reconnect it firmly until it clicks. Make sure to use a high-speed cable if possible. If this helped, like and subscribe, comment below if you still have issues and I will reply. If your Xbox shows no signal, try resetting the display resolution. This is the most effective fix. First, ensure the console is fully powered off. Now, press and hold the power button and the eject button simultaneously. For digital consoles, hold power and pair. Keep holding until you hear a second power-up beep, usually after 10 seconds. This boots your Xbox in low-resolution mode, which should restore your image. Once the screen appears, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to TV and Display Options. Set the resolution to something safe like 1080p. Set refresh rate to 60 Hz. Avoid 120 Hz if your TV does not officially support it. Now let us talk about TV compatibility issues. Some TVs, especially older models, struggle with advanced Xbox display features. Features like variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and HDR10. These features can cause no signal issues. Once you get display back, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to TV and Display Options, then go to Video Modes. Disable allow variable refresh rate. Disable allow auto low latency mode. Disable allow HDR10. Disable allow Dolby Vision if available. Restart the Xbox after making changes. Next important check, update your TV firmware. Yes, TVs also need software updates. Many users ignore this. An outdated TV firmware can fail to handshake properly with modern consoles. Go to your TV settings menu. Look for software update or firmware update. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Install any available update. Restart the TV after updating. Now check Xbox firmware update. Sometimes a failed or partial update causes display issues. If you can access the Xbox menu, go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Updates. Install any pending update. If you cannot see the screen at all, try the offline system update method using a USB drive. This method is officially provided by Microsoft and widely recommended on Xbox support forums. Another common but hidden cause is HDMI CEC conflict. HDMI CEC allows devices to control each other, but sometimes it creates confusion. Disable HDMI CEC on both Xbox and TV. On Xbox, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to TV and Display Options, then go to Device Control. Disable HDMI CEC options. On TV, go to Settings and disable HDMI CEC. The name may vary like AnyNet Plus, Simplink, Bravia Sync, or Vera Link. Quick fix for Xbox power and HDMI issues. First, check your power supply light. Orange or white is good. Blinking or off means it's faulty. Try a wall socket directly, no extension cords. For Series X and S, if it powers on but no signal, check your HDMI port for bent pins. Pro tips: always turn TV on first, then Xbox. Use certified HDMI 2.1 cables. If you change monitors, reset your display settings. Still no signal? Test on another TV to isolate the issue. 95% of the time, it's just a cable or settings reset. Like and subscribe for more fixes.